May, sa akin naman may 1, 2, 3. Ayan, 1, 2, 3. Ganda naman.
I'm one more, please. Here.
Ganda niya, okay ngayon.
Grabe yung baby hair mo.
Okay, go.
Sa akin pala, last one. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Again, last 1, 2, 3. Last them.
And to your left.
Hindi, photo ba yung guys? Sorry.
Gumagana ba? Okay, may ilaw.
Andito dito. Parang ano lang.
The winning glow of Ann Patricia Lorena.
Grabe.
Hindi kasi pa din. Hindi ko winang 100% sabi niyo.
Sa paan here? Ganda.
Anyari ba't gumandalaan? Anyari talaga.
Ay, buksan niyo sir.
Ikaw ka na ba?
Wait lang.
Kasi pakabit ako.
Pwede pa hawak.
Itago nyo mga mi. Tayo pwede.
8:30 kasi 11 ng ano.
Ay, sige. 7:54. Kaya lang yan.
Question, guys.
Dito po, sa gitna po.
Correct ka na lang sa mga
Side
Just
sa.
follow the light. Go to the light.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi everyone, we're starting. Actually here at the airport right now for Ann Patricia Lorenzo departure. First and foremost, congratulations.
Thank
How was
you.
the experience so far? How was your preparation going to China?
Thank you for, first and foremost, thank you. I'm speechless because I can't believe na ito na yon. How I am after I crowned last July 9. Grabe, parang nung nag-start akong, nung nakoronahan ako, doon nag-start yung timer ko to prepare. No enough time for me to rest. Kasi sabi ko, trabaho to eh. More than my dream. It's a job, it's a responsibility. I want to be in Thailand na sobrang preparado kasi hindi na lang si Ann Patricia magkukumpit doon, but all the Filipinos. My community, the LGBTQIA+ community, and also all the Filipinos and also the young ones who's dreaming to be there one day. So sobrang trinabaho ko to, and today, hindi ako makapaniwala na ito na yung araw na lilipad ako ng Thailand, bit-bit ang pangarap, ang bansa, at ang boses ng aking community.
Yes, this is your, finally, ito yung pinaka-inaantay natin.
Ang tagal mo inantay to.
Sobra.
Inaantay, like years talaga.
4 years.
4 years in the making.
In the making.
Pero ito na, syempre naman, after mong manalo na yung I'm pretty sure na sobrang naging busy ka. Preparation. Syempre, sino ba yung mga designer mo na pwede mo i-share?
Ayan. Yes, sobrang busy. Parang from day one talagang trinabaho na namin. Then nag-share na kami ng collective ideas to ng organization with the chosen designer. The designers that I pick is Sir Manny Halasan, of course, Alison Castro, Sir Chico Estiva, Mama Resti Lagare. Ayan. And also the young designers na sobrang nakipagtulungan sa akin, which is they are part of my advocacy, Habi ng Pangarap.
Ano yung pressure sa'yo? Because you were crowned in the biggest pageantry stage of Trans Pinay in Moa Arena, first ever in history. Yung pressure na yun ang lakas. Para bang, paano mo hinawakan yun all the way going to Miss International Queen pageant?
Nung lumaban ako ng MIQ Philippines this year, sa third attempt ko, sabi ko, I don't let pressure eat me. So after crowned, even na meron pressure because hindi na nga to si Ann Patricia, tapos buong Philippines na ang daladala ko, yun, pero yun pa rin sinabi ko sa sarili ko that I don't let pressure eat me. E-enjoyin ko to, ipapakita ko kung sino ako, and ayun lang, parang don't force, let it flow, mangyayari ang dapat mangyari. Just enjoy every moment of this pageant.
So mas relax ka na nga ngayon?
Yes.
Ann Patricia, any idea or clue about her national costume?
Yan.
No clue sa'yo.
Clue. Dadalhin natin ang Pilipinas sa Thailand na makikita nila yung sinatawag nila dito na Ann Fresh. Super fresh siya. Fresh sa mata, malamig sa mata, matutuwa ang lahat. Magiging proud ang mga Filipino.
we have talent competition. Anong inihanda mo dito? Sasayaw ka ba? Kakanta?
Sige, magtiban ako ng isang clue. Tatanungin nyo lahat si Ann kung marunong ba siyang sumayaw.
Sagutin na natin, Ann, marunong ka bang sumayaw?
Malalaman nyo po sa September 50.
How do you feel na kayo yung pinagtatapat ni Miss Vietnam who's also leading the leaderboards, the hot mix, right?
Sobrang ganda rin ni Miss Vietnam and she is our neighbor, part of the Southeast Asian country. And lagi namang ganun eh, in every competition, lagi may pinagtatapat. And me, I'm so proud na at least tayong mga transgender women in Southeast Asia talagang nag-excel in every pageant. Pero sabi ko, enjoy ko to. Parang I don't want to parang bantayan or to look someone na siya lang yung effortan kong bantayan. But for me, ang dapat kong bantayan is yung sarili ko for me to be able to do my preparation.
And ilang luggage ang dala mo?
Medyo madami siya. Parang like 5 or 6 po. Opo.
Kaya ba ng Miss International Queen Philippines Organization ang ikalawang Miss International Queen title sa'yo?
Ayun,
The organization. Kaya ba?
Yes, after Fuchsia's was crowned on 2022, you actually, even, meron na tayong dalawang corona from Kevin and Trixie, pero dun sa organization, first crown si Fuchsia, and sasabihin ko na kayang-kaya natin ang ikalawang corona para sa MIQ Philippines at ika-4 na corona para sa Pilipinas.
Anong napag-usapan niyo ni Fuchsia?
Fuchsia has been so supportive even before, after she was crowned. We're very close friend. Talagang grabe kami maggalgalan yan. And then ang sabi niya ngayon, parang just be myself, magbaon ako ng maraming lakas physically, mentally, emotionally, because it's a roller coaster, mind game, lahat. Parang Olympics tong sasalihan ko. So dapat marami tayong baon na energy.
How about with Lars?
With Lars, she's very busy and I would like to say na congratulations sa kanya sa Miss Mandirigma. And for me, ang nag-usap kami, ang last usap namin ni Lars, ang sabi niya pala, ito natatandaan ko na ang sabi niya, ate, once you're there, don't think anything about the tickets, about yung gamit or kung ano susuotin mo kinabukasan. Parang let the glam team do their job. So ikaw, focus ka lang doon. Yan ang sinabi.
Hindi ba ikaw ang first runner-up ni Fuchsia nung first ever Miss International Queen Philippines? Kaya ba ng batch ninyo ang 2 winners?
Yes.
Yes.
I think nung 2022 kasi grabe yung pinagdaanan namin doon eh. Gitna yun ng pandemic eh, COVID-19. So, grabe yung haba ng preparation. So, kaya siguro doon namin nakuha yung lakas namin na parang kaya si Fuchsia nanalo just because yung pinagdaanan namin 2022 and also me na sumubok ng ilang pang taon. So, naging parang malaking battlefield namin yung 2020. Kaya siguro, swerte kung sino yung lalaban ngayon at mauuwi natin ang ika-4 na corona.
And meron bang special someone na manonood sa night?
Yes, my family, my complete family, complete members of my family will be there. My dad is there. Sinatid niya ako ngayon. And also my boyfriend for 12 years na, ongoing 12 years na kasama ko simula nung unang araw na binuo ko yung pangarap na to, sinuportahan niya ako. Of course, hindi siya mawawala doon.
Do you have any pasalubong or gift for your co-candidates?
Yes.
Mag-dried mango ka rin.
Yes, meron tayong pasalubong. I'm pretty sure na yung mga candidates and yung ibang friends natin from Thailand, magugustuhan nila to kasi tinatawag ko to na scent of dream. They will love it. They always, every time that they will smell or parang pag naamoy nila tong scent na to, or sabihin ko na, scent na to, they'll always remember that there's someone like me who's never give up on her dream.
Parang sa pagkita, inspired ko yung outfit. Parang ang bango-bango.
Yeah.
And fresh.
And fresh. Yes.
Parang yun na atap. Parang
So, pwede na ba yan ng OOTD pa sa post mo? Paglapag, change outfit ka rin pag-change.
Abangan. Ayan, pero ito,
natumbok mo naman.
inspiration to ng hand-painted po siya ng local designer from Malabon, Sampaguita, and also the top naman, it was inspired by the modern barong po.
Talking to your preparations, how many percent?
Ay, uwi mo.
Kasi optimistic akong tao, parang whatever you do, hindi ka man mag-expect ng sobra, pero sabi ng isang mentor ko, si Mami Ian Mendehar, pag nandun ka sa isang competition, huwag kang manggigil manalo. Pero manggigil kang gawin yung performance mo. Dahil kapag nagawa mo yung maganda mong performance, there's no any reason for you not to win.
Is this your first time in Thailand?
No, many, many times. Thailand is my home away from home.
Addition din nung last, diba?
Opo.
Look forward sa competition.
Nilook forward ko po na sobrang saya ng MIQ because this is just like a major pageant for us trans women na talagang i-uplift niya yung trans pageantry around the world. And also, syempre, expect na natin medyo pagudan ng mga schedules. Ayan, pero sobrang saya ako kasi marami na naman ako mamimit ng mga trans women around the world na we're sharing stories, cultures, and also beliefs. Kaya sobrang excited po ako.
Candidates na.
Ngayon po, alam ko parang we are 24 po.
Ang tanong ko lang, no, you had a very controversial win. Pero kapag, alam mo yun, pero the way we look at you, since your crowning moment up until now, ang light, parang walang excess baggage. Alam mo yun, ano yung sikreto ng motivation mo na parang iba yung, imbis na ma-stress ka, you're glowing instantly.
Yeah, you look better now.
Thank you.
When you won, actually.
Ayan, medyo nakapahinga na tayo doon kasi syempre nung national pageant medyo hectic yung schedule namin doon din. Ngayon medyo nakatulog tayo while preparing. And for me, siguro the secret is that I learned how to differentiate between constructive and destructive criticism. So I take all the constructive and I will dispose all the destructive, especially for those comments who will not help me. Kasi maingay ang social media. If you will absorb all the noise, then maapektuhan ka. It will radiate you on the outside. So kinuha lang natin yung mga naka-fresh, yung mga nakaka-haggard, iniwan natin yan.
I assume during the competition, you won't be dwelling too much on your social. You won't be active on, you know, reading comments on your social media accounts para to for your focus to be reading.
Yes, that's true. Kagaya ng ginawa ko po ng MIQPH, before, parang 3 days before and then after I crowned, hindi ako nag-social media. Siguro nagsa-social media ako just to update my families, my friends, my glam teams, and also to post something that I need to post to promote the sponsors of the pageant.
Ano yung advice, of course, ng ating MIQPH President, Sir Tay and Dench?
Sir Tay?
Anong advice?
Advice? Wala, kasi yun yung reason kung bakit siya yung napanalo natin because of what she is, and I love Anne from the very beginning, and talagang hindi ako nagkamali sa pagpili sa kanya as our Miss International Queen Philippines. So advice is be yourself. Ikaw na yan. # koronahan.
Sir Tay, as someone who believes in her so much and looking forward to the competition, ano pa yung hindi namin pa nakikita sa kanya na nakikita mo na ngayon as early as now?
Actually, yun yung dapat nyong abangan, no? Kasi pag sinabi ko, wala nang twist. So, dapat manood kayo talaga ng lahat ng event namin sa Thailand, and even the preliminaries and yung mga packet events namin sa Thailand. So, makikita nyo po ibang yun.
IQPH form, Sir Tay, kailan niyo pupunta?
Kami po ay ngayon din po.
Ngayon din?
Yes po, opo. Yes po.
Andun ka nung lumabas si Fuchsia, andun ka sa yung sunod-sunod na yun. Dahil napanood mo lahat yung laban ng mga nakaraan nating MIQ Philippine winners, ano yung gagawin mo kakaiba na very at para makuha natin ika-2 para sa organization at ika-4 para sa Pilipinas?
Siguro, just be who I am. Be authentic. Kasi yung nakikita ng tao, social media, si Anne, yung parang it's about the glitz and the glamour. I have a very strong personality. But I want people to realize na there is something with me, with Anne, na sobrang mai-inspire ang tao, na parang kayong luluha at nanonood ng MMK. But by telling my story and by being authentic for who I am, I will able to inspire not only the Filipinos, but I'm pretty sure all the trans women, all the young generation who's dreaming around the world.
So papayakin mo kami?
Yes, in a good way. Sasaya. Yeah.
And what makes a Filipina transgender stand out in the world stage?
Siguro dahil we experience everything here in our country in a way that since we are young, I am young, I experience discrimination, humiliation, and every kinds of experience. But aside from that, of course, makulay ang mundo po ng mga Trans Pinay. Sobrang saya. Pumunta ka lang sa isang baryo, naglalakad ka, grabe may mga contest na dyan, so naggagalgalan, sobrang saya. So for me, yun yung way bakit tayo sobrang lakas. We always stand out among others country when we are competing international, just because we always want to prove that our culture, our values will make us stand out.
Last na lang, message sa pageant na.
Sa sangkabagihan.
And of course, may mga voting ba tayo?
Yes.
So, mention mo na. And,
Mabuhay! This is Ann Patricia Lorenzo, your Miss International Queen, Philippines 2025. Pilipinas, ito na po ang araw na kung saan lilipad po ako patungong Pattaya, Thailand. So I will represent our beautiful country, the Philippines. Naway, baon ko po ang inyong suporta at dasal. So I will take home the 4th crown of Miss International Queen dito po sa ating bansa. And to being updated on all our ganaps, just follow the Instagram of Miss International Queen po. Miss International Queen officials, and also the official Instagram and Facebook account of Miss International Queen Philippines, and also my personal social media po, Ann Patricia Lorenzo Diaz on Facebook. On Instagram naman po, Ann Patricia Lorenzo Diaz 22, and also on TikTok po, Ann Patricia _Lorenzo. Ipapromise ko po sa inyong lahat na hindi ko po i-gatekeep po tong joy na to. I-share ko po every moment po.
Ann Patricia, why should you be our next Miss International Queen?
I should be Miss International Queen 2025 because I believe that it's our time to take home the 4th crown, because a someone like me who will be there in Thailand is someone that Miss International Queen needs to inspire others, because the main goal or the main theme of MIQ now is Beyond Beauty, because Beyond Beauty is something that meets more than the eye. Then I will be the one who will define what is Beyond Beauty.
Wait. Grabe yung titig ni Sir Day.
Ang galing niya, no?
Okay.
Handang-handa na siya.
Tingin ka sa lahat ng
Tingin mo na dito sa sa part natin.
2 months lang yan. Paano pa kayo 1 year?
1 month and a half lang. Training namin.
Go!
Mabuhay and sawadika. This is Ann Patricia Lorenzo Diaz representing ang mahal kong Pilipinas. Thank you po. Thank you. Salamat po.